If you're tired of boring diet tips, buckle up. Because today, we're about to take a deep dive into the world of metabolism-boosting foods. Foods that are not only delicious and easy to find, but also have the power to transform the way your body burns energy. Forget everything you thought you knew about restrictive diets and bland meals. Instead, get ready to discover some truly surprising foods that can help rev up your metabolism and make healthy eating exciting again. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, feel more energized throughout the day, or simply want to support your body's natural processes, these 5 foods are about to become your new best friends in the kitchen. So let's shake off the frustration of those same old diet routines and open our minds, and our taste buds, to something new. Your next metabolism boost might be hiding in your fridge. That's right, sometimes the most powerful tools for your health are already right at your fingertips, just waiting to be discovered. Think about it. How many times have you opened your fridge searching for something to eat, only to settle for the same old snacks or leftovers? What if instead you could reach for foods that not only satisfy your hunger but also give your metabolism a natural kickstart? Today we're going to explore exactly what those foods are, why they work, and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. So the next time you're standing in front of your fridge, you'll know exactly what to grab to fuel your body and keep your metabolism humming along. Ready to eat smarter? First up, seaweed. Now you might be thinking, seaweed, isn't that just something that comes wrapped around my sushi roll? Well, yes, but it's so much more than that. Seaweed is a true superfood, packed with nutrients that your body craves. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, especially iodine, which plays a crucial role in supporting your thyroid gland. And why is that important? Because your thyroid is like the command center for your metabolism. When it's functioning properly, your body burns calories efficiently, keeps your energy levels steady, and helps you maintain a healthy weight. But when your thyroid is sluggish, everything slows down, including your metabolism. That's where seaweed comes in. Just a small serving can provide your body with the iodine it needs to keep your thyroid happy and your metabolism buzzing. Plus, seaweed is low in calories, high in fiber, and adds a unique, savory flavor to all kinds of dishes. You can enjoy it in salads, soups, snacks, or even as a crunchy topping for your favorite meals. And if you're worried about the taste, don't be. There are so many varieties to choose from, each with its own distinct flavor and texture. From nori sheets to wakame, dulce, and kelp, there's a type of seaweed for everyone. So the next time you're at the grocery store, why not pick up a pack of seaweed snacks or try adding some to your next homemade meal? Your thyroid and your taste buds will thank you. Yep, that green stuff from sushi has iodine, which keeps your thyroid happy and your metabolism buzzing, but we're just getting started. Next up, lentils. These tiny unassuming beans are actually a powerhouse when it comes to nutrition and metabolism support. Lentils are loaded with plant-based protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. And here's a fun fact, your body actually burns more calories digesting protein than it does digesting fats or carbohydrates. This is known as the thermic effect of food, and it means that eating protein-rich foods like lentils can give your metabolism a little extra boost every time you eat them. But that's not all. Lentils are also packed with fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. This can make it easier to stick to your healthy eating goals and avoid those pesky cravings that can derail your progress. Plus, lentils are incredibly versatile and affordable. You can add them to soups, stews, salads, or even use them as a meat substitute in your favorite recipes. They come in a variety of colors and flavors, from earthy brown lentils to peppery green ones and sweet, nutty red lentils. No matter how you prepare them, lentils are a delicious and satisfying way to support your metabolism and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. These tiny beans are protein-packed, so your body works harder to digest them. Hello, calorie burn! But the benefits of lentils don't stop there. Because they're also rich in iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, lentils help support healthy blood flow, muscle function, and energy production. This means you'll not only be burning more calories, but you'll also feel more energized and ready to tackle whatever the day throws your way. And if you're looking for a budget-friendly way to eat healthy, lentils are a fantastic choice. They're shelf-stable, easy to cook, and can be stored in your pantry for months at a time. So whether you're making a hearty lentil soup on a chilly day, or tossing them into a fresh salad for a quick lunch, you can feel good knowing you're fueling your body with one of nature's best metabolism-boosting foods. Love spicy food? You're in luck because our next metabolism-boosting superstar is all about turning up the heat. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which literally heats things up and helps torch extra calories. Capsaicin is the compound that gives chili peppers their signature spicy kick, and it's been shown to have some pretty impressive effects on your metabolism. When you eat spicy foods, capsaicin temporarily increases your body temperature, which in turn boosts your metabolic rate. This process, known as thermogenesis, means your body is burning more calories, even while you're just sitting there enjoying your meal. But that's not all. Capsaicin has also been linked to reduced appetite, which can help you feel fuller for longer and make it easier to stick to your healthy eating goals. And if you're worried about the heat, don't be. There are plenty of ways to enjoy the benefits of chili peppers without setting your mouth on fire. Try adding a sprinkle of crushed red pepper flakes to your favorite dishes, or experiment with milder varieties like poblano or Anaheim peppers. You can even find capsaicin supplements if you're not a fan of spicy foods. So whether you're a heat seeker or just looking to add a little extra flavor to your meals, chili peppers are a fun and tasty way to give your metabolism a boost. Surprise, coffee isn't just a wake-up call. For many of us, that first cup of coffee in the morning is a daily ritual, a comforting way to start the day and shake off the last remnants of sleep. But did you know that coffee can also give your metabolism a temporary boost? That's right, the caffeine in coffee acts as a natural stimulant, increasing your heart rate and helping your body burn more calories, even when you're at rest. In fact, studies have shown that caffeine can increase your metabolic rate by as much as 3 to 11% for several hours after you drink it. This means that your morning cup of joe isn't just helping you feel more alert, it's also helping your body burn more energy throughout the day. But there's a catch. To get the full metabolism-boosting benefits of coffee, it's best to enjoy it black, or with just a splash of milk. Adding lots of sugar, cream, or flavored syrups can quickly turn your healthy beverage into a calorie bomb, undoing all the good work your metabolism is doing. So the next time you reach for your coffee mug, try savoring the rich, bold flavor of black coffee, or experiment with different brewing methods to find your perfect cup. And remember, moderation is key. Too much caffeine can lead to jitters, anxiety, or trouble sleeping, so aim for 1 to 3 cups a day, depending on your tolerance. It gives your metabolism a jumpstart. Just hold the sugar. And if you're looking for ways to make your coffee even healthier, consider adding a sprinkle of cinnamon or a dash of unsweetened cocoa powder for extra flavor and antioxidants. Or, try pairing your coffee with a protein-rich breakfast, like eggs or Greek yogurt, to keep your energy levels steady and avoid the mid-morning crash. Coffee isn't just a beverage, it's a powerful tool in your metabolism-boosting arsenal, and with a few simple tweaks, you can make it work even harder for you. Ever heard of kefir? If not, you're in for a treat. Kefir is a fermented dairy drink that's been enjoyed for centuries in cultures around the world, and it's finally starting to get the recognition it deserves here in the West. Think of it as yogurt's cool cousin, slightly tangy, refreshingly creamy, and packed with probiotics that support your gut health. But what does gut health have to do with metabolism? Quite a lot, actually. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These tiny organisms play a huge role in everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to immune function and yes, metabolism. When your gut is healthy and balanced, your body is better able to break down food, extract energy, and regulate blood sugar levels. But when your gut is out of balance, it can lead to sluggish digestion, low energy, and even weight gain. That's where kefir comes in. Thanks to its high probiotic content, kefir helps populate your gut with beneficial bacteria, supporting a healthy microbiome and a more efficient metabolism. Plus, kefir is rich in protein, calcium, and B vitamins, making it a nutritious addition to any meal or snack. You can enjoy it on its own, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a base for salad dressings and dips. And if you're lactose intolerant, don't worry. Kefir is naturally low in lactose. So many people who can't tolerate regular milk find that they can enjoy kefir without any issues. So if you're looking for a delicious and easy way to support your gut and your metabolism, give kefir a try. It's like yogurt's cool cousin, full of probiotics that keep your gut healthy and your metabolism on point. And the best part, kefir is incredibly versatile. You can pour it over granola, mix it with fresh fruit, or even use it as a substitute for buttermilk in your favorite recipes. The possibilities are endless, and with so many delicious flavors to choose from, you'll never get bored. Plus, making your own kefir at home is easier than you might think. All you need are kefir grains and milk, and you'll have a fresh, probiotic-rich drink in just a day or two. So why not give it a try and see how it makes you feel? Your gut and your metabolism will thank you. Don't forget about eggs. These humble kitchen staples are often overlooked, but they're actually one of the best foods you can eat for a healthy metabolism. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and a wide range of vitamins and minerals including vitamin D, choline, and selenium. This powerful combination helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, reduces cravings, and supports muscle growth and repair. And remember what we said earlier about the thermic effect of food? Because eggs are so rich in protein, your body has to work harder to digest them, which means you burn more calories just by eating them. But that's not all. Eggs are also incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. Whether you like them scrambled, poached, boiled, or baked, there's a way to enjoy eggs that fits your taste and lifestyle. And if you're worried about cholesterol, recent research has shown that for most people, eating eggs in moderation does not increase the risk of heart disease. In fact, eggs can be part of a heart-healthy diet when enjoyed as part of a balanced meal. So, don't be afraid to make eggs a regular part of your breakfast, lunch, or dinner routine. They're a simple, affordable, and delicious way to support your metabolism and keep your body fueled for whatever the day brings. They're packed with protein and healthy fats, helping you feel full and energized all day. And if you're looking for ways to make your eggs even more nutritious, try adding a handful of fresh vegetables, a sprinkle of herbs, or a dash of your favorite spices. Not only will this boost the flavor and color of your meal, but it will also add extra vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support your overall health. Eggs are truly one of the most versatile and nutrient-dense foods you can eat, and they deserve a place of honor in any metabolism-boosting meal plan. Now you might be wondering, What about all those other so-called superfoods you see on social media or in the health food aisle? The truth is, there's no magic bullet when it comes to boosting your metabolism. But by focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods like the ones we've talked about today, you can give your body the support it needs to function at its best. And don't be afraid to experiment. Try new recipes, explore different cuisines, and have fun discovering new flavors and textures. The more variety you include in your diet, the more likely you are to get all the nutrients your body needs to thrive. And remember, healthy eating isn't about perfection, it's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. So, whether you're reaching for seaweed, lentils, chili peppers, coffee, kefir, or eggs, know that you're making a positive choice for your health and your metabolism. So, next time you're grabbing a snack, reach for something unexpected. Step outside your comfort zone and try something new. You might just discover a new favorite food, and your body will thank you for it. And if you ever feel stuck or uninspired, just remember that healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goals, and every healthy choice you make is a victory worth celebrating. Your metabolism and taste buds will thank you. Eating for a healthy metabolism doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. In fact, it can be one of the most enjoyable and rewarding things you do for yourself. By choosing foods that nourish your body, support your metabolism, and delight your senses, you're setting yourself up for long-term success and a lifetime of good health. So go ahead, treat yourself to a delicious, metabolism-boosting meal today, and savor every bite. You deserve it. Hit like if you learned something new, and follow for more easy health hacks. We're here to help you make healthy living simple, fun, and accessible for everyone. If you have any questions, tips, or favorite metabolism-boosting foods, share them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed nutrition advice, delicious recipes, and practical tips to help you feel your best every day. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you.